In this video, I am going to show you how to create a free website with free domain and free hosting by using Profreehost. I am going to cover each and everything in a step-by-step process so that you can watch this video and follow along everything that I am going to show you in this video. And after watching this video, you will have your own free, fully functional WordPress website. So take it seriously and watch this video till the end so that you don't miss any crucial information that I am going to provide you in this video. And you don't need to pay a single penny to create your own WordPress website for absolutely free. And if you are new to my channel, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you think this video added some value to your life, then please do like this video. Now, without doing any delay, let's get started. Firstly, search on Google Profreehost, and then whichever link comes at the top, just click on that and you will be able to visit to a site that seems something like this. Now you can read this text like, we will never ask you to pay for using our hosting service, and many more things are written at here. You can read it. Now just click on this register now, and then you will see somewhat this kind of interface. Now you need to register to Profreehost. In order to register, put your email address at here and then put a password that you can remember, minimum 6 characters. Once you have done this much, then just click on this tick mark. Now Profreehost have sent you an activation email. Now just visit to your email, and as you can see, I have already received an email. Just click on it and just click on activate account. Now you will see either your account is already activated, or you will see like you have successfully activated your account. You will see something like that at here. Now you can simply refresh this page. If you do not see this kind of create new account, then you need to refresh this page, okay? But if you are seeing, then that's fine. Now here you can see you do not have any account yet. Create one now. You will see this kind of text, okay? And just click on create new account. Now you will see somewhat this kind of interface. You can click on this continue, or you can just scroll below, and just find this create new website, and you need to give a name to your website. So in my case, I can type make money with Pawan, and then here is the extension that you can use. You can select any of these as your wish. So let's select this one. Now it is saying make money with Pawan.unanox.com is available. Now once you see this, then just click on tick mark, and you will see somewhat this kind of interface. Now you can just click on this manage. Now it is saying refresh page after some minutes. So just wait for a few minutes, and then you can refresh this page. And then you will see this control panel button. Just click on this control panel. Now you may see this kind of interface. Then just you can click on I approve. Now you will see somewhat this kind of interface. Just scroll below and find where is the softwares. So here is the software, and then just click on this Softaculous app installer. Now it's time to install WordPress. So as you can see, here is the WordPress. Just click on this install. Now you will see somewhat this kind of interface. Just scroll below and put the username and password at here. So this is something that you will use to log into your WordPress site. So you can put either your own name, or you can just put admin. Whatever you want, you can do that. Now in case of password, just put the password that you can remember. Now once you do this much, then just scroll below and click on install. You can save this. Once you come up to this step, then just you can click on here and see your website, how it looks like at this phase. It looks something like this. And in order to log into your WordPress site, you can click on here and you will see this kind of interface. Now you can save this link so that you can use it further in future. Now you may notice that I have changed this domain a little bit because something went wrong, and the process that I was showing you was completely fine, but at this stage when I tried to open the website, it was not opening in well manner. That's why I created a different website with different this domain name e0.com. But you don't need to worry, you can follow everything that I am showing you till now and you will be able to reach up to this stage. And you can just click on here, open it, this link in new tab, and you will be able to see your website. And by opening this link, you will be able to log into your WordPress website. Now this is not a pretty good website, that's why we need to change it. Now you don't need to build everything from scratch. I'm going to show you a shortcut with which you can beautify your website within few minutes. Now let's talk about that thing. So firstly, just log into your WordPress site by using this link and the ID password, that username password that you have created previously, and you will visit to this site. Now if you need to update this, then you can just click on this please update now and your WordPress site will be updated. Now you can just click on this appearance and then you will see this kind of interface. Just click on this add new and you can type here Astra. Now this is the Astra theme. Just click on this install. Once the installation is completed, then you will see this activate button. Just click on this activate. Now you will see this kind of interface and you can choose any design that is available at here from inside this Astra theme. So just click on this get started and it will take few seconds to activate. Now just scroll below and click on build your website now. Now you can just select a page builder. I would suggest you to select this Elementor. Now you will see somewhat this kind of interface, and now you can select any theme that is available inside this, any design that is available inside here. But make sure there is no this words will not exist in the theme like premium. Okay, these are some of the paid themes that you cannot get for free, but you can use these themes that has not written premium. Okay, so just keep on scrolling and select any of the theme that you want to use. So for now I will use this theme, so let's click on it. Now you can import your logo, choose your logo. Okay, and you can make few edits at here, or what you can do is you can skip this step and do it later. So for now let's skip this process and just click on this skip and continue. Similarly, now again you can just scroll below and click on this continue. Now you can fill this information, which is pretty easy to fill, and then click on submit and build my website. So just fill out these things quickly and just click on submit and build my website. Now you need to wait for some minutes. Once the process is completed, then you can see this congratulations, your website is up and ready. So now your website is ready. So for now just click on this view your website. So now for some reason our theme was not installed properly, but again you can go back to your login page of WordPress and again click on appearance and again repeat the process by installing another theme from Astra, and then you will have a fully designed website at here. Now in order to edit everything that is available inside your website, what you need to do is you need to use Elementor drag and drop. So I can basically show you how to use Elementor by creating a long video right now at here, but what I'm going to suggest you is you search for another videos by typing Elementor WordPress tutorial, and you will find lots of videos that can help you to edit your website with Elementor, and you can simply use these tutorials to beautify your website in a proper way. Now guys, you don't need to worry, okay, because just I was able to only make this kind of website at here. So there is a serious problem going on with Elementor. There is a fatal error inside Elementor at the time of shooting of this video. That's why it is not being activated, due to which all of the content of this website that I have selected, the template, that is not showing at here, okay. But you don't need to worry about it, will not be in your case, because at that time when you are creating your own website, this fatal error of Elementor will already be gone. So guys, altogether this much I wanted to show you in this video. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if it was, then please do like this video, and if you are new to my channel, then please do subscribe to my channel. So take care, have a great life ahead, bye bye.